So tell us about starting the program. You said that at first you felt like, well, I'm just breathing. Oh,
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about how you felt starting it and how you felt then progressing through the levels.
Yeah, so it was quite scary. It's scary knowing that point when to start.
Yeah.
But you just have to sort of like bite the bullet, go for it. If it feels okay, go for it a bit more, kind of thing. I found that my recovery after my second surgery as opposed to my first was a lot quicker. And yeah, from as soon as I got started doing the movements and the breathing. So it's just, you progress, the program it's all explained.
Yeah.
Basically, I just read it. So you started off with 5 repetitions. Once that's feeling comfortable, increase it slightly.
Yeah.
Until you get up to the 20. Then when that's feeling comfortable, then move on to the next stage. And I think it took a number of weeks and that, but it was just like, I could just feel myself getting stronger and more confident, as you say, as time was passing.
Yeah.
And I think it is that confidence that you need, that it's like, yeah, just knowing that you are going to get back to being able to live your life completely as you did before.
Yeah.